Hello students, the question you asked is an electric bulb rated 220 volt 60 watt is working at full efficiency and another identical bulb is connected to the circuit. वो सीरीज में जोड़ा है या पैरेलल में ये हमें नहीं बताया हुआ उन्होंने और ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं तीन हमारे को. इफ़ द बोथ bulb are connected in series then the total power is 60 watt. If only one bulb is connected then the total power is 30 watt, and if both the bulbs are connected in parallel the total power is 120 watt. Let us examine the solution. Considering the case 1, if both the bulbs are connected in series, resistance will become double. You have no need to calculate this resistance for solving this numerical. I calculated it just like that. तो अगर दोनों बल्बों को आप सीरीज में जोड़ेंगे तो रेजिस्टेंस डबल हो जाएगा. जितना भी एक बल्ब का रेजिस्टेंस होएगा उससे डबल हो जाएगा. और रेजिस्टेंस डबल होने की वजह से हमारा जो करंट है आई अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ आई इज इक्वल टू वी बाई आर, तो करंट हमारा हाफ हो जाएगा. और हम सबको पता है कि अगर करंट हाफ होएगा तो पावर जो है हमारी वो 1/4 हो जाएगी, क्योंकि हमें पता है P इज इक्वल टू I square R when your resistance will become when your current will become half. If your current will become half, your new power P dash will become I by 2 का square into R. So your new power P dash will become I square R by 4. So that is 1/4 of the previous power. So as the power will become 1/4 through each bulb when they are connected in series, so the power of each bulb will reduce to 1/4. So each bulb originally was 60 watt, and when connected in series each bulb will consume 15 watt each. Hence total power in series is going to be 30 watt. So first option is wrong. If we will connect them in series, remember this thing for your future questions, you have no need to solve. If given power is given of a bulb at a given voltage and a bulb is connected in series at the same voltage, then power consumption through each bulb will become 1/4, not half. So hence this first option is wrong. Let us examine the second. If the one bulb is connected, if one bulb is connected there is nothing to do, because one bulb was already taking 60 watt power and it will continue to take 60 watt power as it is a 60 watt bulb which is designed to be work at 220 volts. So second statement is also wrong. One bulb will consume 60 watt. Considering the third option, if the both the bulbs are connected in parallel, if we connect both the bulbs in parallel and voltage is same, then through each bulb same power will be consumed, because same current will flow through each bulb as both the bulbs are having same resistance and they are connected in parallel to same voltage. So according to Ohm's law same current will flow through them and total power consumed will be 120. I will explain you by making a simple circuit diagram. Look, when your one bulb was connected to 220 volt supply, then consumption of power is 60 watt. It is, let us say it is having resistance and power consumption is 60 watt. Some current will flow through bulb which will be equal to I, that is equal to V by R. If you connect both bulbs in parallel, then you know that the circuits are connected in parallel and the same voltage is there. So according to Ohm's law both the currents will be same through each bulb, that is going to be 220 by R, that is the resistance of individual bulb, and total current which is consumed through the source obviously will become double, that is 2I. Hence the power consumption through each bulb will remain same. So power consumed through each bulb will remain same, that is 60 watt, and the total power will become 120 watt. I'll give you one simple practical example that when we are connected our supplies, domestic bulb or appliances in parallel, the power consumption will simply double. And in domestic circuits all the appliances are connected in parallel. If you are running one AC, your power is consumption is for one AC say 2000 watt. If you are running two ACs in parallel, your power consumption is going to be 4000 watt. So it is that simple. If you connect two 60 watt bulbs in parallel, the power consumption will also be double, and that will become 120 watt. Hence the option 3 is correct, and option 3 only correct is the right answer. Thank you.